Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in previous videos we talked about predicate and we worked with some primitive types. Let's create one more scenario where we have a custom object, right? Now we're dealing with some objects. So let's go back to employee class again. So we have an employee class which has ID, right? We saw name as well, and or we can do one thing. Let's just have name. Just name is enough, and name and salary. Okay, so I will keep track that salary figure. If and on base of salary I will do some kind of filter like we did in string. So I will print some employees on the basis of if that employee has some, like say employee has a multiple salaries, so I will give a condition. If salary is, the condition is print all employee whose salary is greater than 5,000. Okay, that's my condition. So maybe someone can ask you, okay, so please write one predicate for me which can, or even they won't mention predicate. They will just say, okay, you have a list of employees and you have to filter out all the employees whose salary is greater than 5,000. Okay, that's the condition. Print all employees whose salary is greater than 5,000. That's your requirement. How to do that? We can use predicate on it because there's a check going on. Salary is greater than 5,000. So I can write up lambda expression for its test method where we will check the salary thing and things goes. Okay, so let's quickly create this example. So I already have one employee class. Yep, I just copy it, paste it here, and I'll refactor it. No more ID. I will give salary and get rid of all these stuffs. Let's run it again from the scratch. So get status getters, and let's have toString as well. I don't know, maybe I will use it. This is our previous code, remove it. Okay, so new employee class is ready with salary and name. Let's move this there. Okay, so name and salary is there. Now let's create a collection, right? So new class employee salary tester, right? We are going to test the salary and only print the employee name whose salary is greater than 5,000. So first of all we have to get a name, and guys I have to get a collection. So let's get rid of setters. Again, you can have it if you want, and but I'll create constructor. That will be more convenient to create objects. So using fields, yes, and always have default constructor. Even if you're not using it, still have it. Let's get rid of super, just saving some lines. Okay, so we have constructor. Now I can use this constructor to create objects. So I'll say list of employee. So employees equals new array list. Done. And now we have to add some employees list. So employees dot add new employee with string name. So just want to make some simple names. Let's say Ravi, and the salary is 6,000. Let's create 5 objects. Let's say some names are introduced just as a string, and let's change the values. So let's have 10. Sham got 2. This person got 2.5. This has 1,000. Okay, so we have some employees. Now I need to write some lambda expression for my code. So definitely predicate goes here. Predicate takes employee object this time. Yep, employee object. Or let's do this in next video so we can set this out. So in this video we created a employee object, created its status getters and constructors, and then we created a collection of employees. In next video we will write lambda expression for this. Just separating in two videos. That will be more easier. Okay, so let's see in next video how to create its lambda expression and how to write its predicate condition. So stay tuned. We'll see you in next video. Bye.